I feel more comfortable with Veeam behind us as product for a backup solution. So I trust that. I'm Edwin Moraal. I'm the CISO and also the ICT advisor of the safety region North and East Gelderland. We are a safety company in the Netherlands. We manage fire departments and also a bit of healthcare. We have a 3-2-1-1-0 rule, 3 copies, 2 different media. One is immutable and offline and one in another side. We can restore with 0 faults and I feel a lot more safe. We rely on that. Some of our initiatives are more workloads positioning to the cloud. We are also looking for cloud immutability and automate more processes, orchestrate. We'll be in a better position to reduce our maximum tolerated downtime. We didn't have a disaster recovery plan, but Veeam helped us with this because it makes automated documentation for it. If a ransomware strike or an attack is hit, it helps us to get more in control. It will be an automated process to orchestrate it on the other side and restore it over there. We have direct object storage. Our backup team is now integrated within our security team because security has to be within your backup system. The check that Veeam does every quarter of a year, it gives you some safety behind your back. It's checked if it is on the latest status, the latest updates. Is it compliant? It makes sense to your environment. The ransomware warranties of Veeam are very unique. They deliver on top of that they always get your data back. Veeam will cover a ransomware warranty till 5 million of data loss. So I think it's very unique in the world.